now you should tell a book with this.
What have you got there?
A book with this. This are going to attack and a book this time I call it this. Now, Mommy, you okay with me?
So this is just a treat. Because as you know, he's superhero obsessed. So this is just a treat. Just something for him to enjoy on lockdown.
Yeah,
So I'm just opening it. Yeah. Okay, so
So
we got it open.
I go.
Yeah. So, what is it? Matches your t-shirt.
Huh?
Matches your favourite t-shirt.
Look, Monkey said
Look.
TV.
Spider-Man. Can't do it? Alright, ready? There we go.
How you do that?
Well, tell the viewers, you got to pop them.
Yeah, you have you have
What's
a
in,
pocket.
and tell me what's inside.
Look.
Candy. You love candy. You love candy. Okay. And show the viewers what else you've got.
Okay, I got this. I eat one candy. Eat one candy.
So you put the candy in there.
Yeah. Look, that's an
Yeah.
That's Dine.
And Spider-Man. Is that good? It's good? Thumbs up. There you go. Okay. And what else did you get in your little lollies? I thought I saw a Spider-Man figure in there.
Yeah, I did.
Well, then let us see it.
No.
No?
No.
All right.
Pa.
Oh, okay. Well, we might come back to that one. Now, what are we opening here? Now, this is what us 1990s kids wanted when Jurassic Park came out. Because when Jurassic Park 1 came out, the kid in the back seat had a pair of night vision goggles, and they were so cool. And as soon as he saw this, straight away I was like, yep, we're getting them.
Oh my God, they
Oh, they're cool. Alright, so I'll help you open them up.
Okay, be careful. You are your babe. You are
Right,
your
so this
part
is-
of a pop. Oh my God, I get it. Oh my God, I think. Look.
Very hard to
Whoa.
open. There we go.
So
So they're the two spares.
what's those for?
So that's the spare ones. And then you get a moon. And then you get a cactus 3D sort of thing. And they've got night vision so you can test it out. So you would put that there. There's your two spare night vision goggles.
Yeah, I'm going to sit there.
Yeah. Oh, nothing yet. They're spares.
Where they will go?
No, they're spares. You don't put them in. So you just put them for another time, and you use this. Okay?
They're cool.
Spare ones.
What kind they want?
All right. So chuck them on the big room. You look like a minion. There we go. You got a light on. Ah!
There's no way on.
Yeah. How cute's that? So what are you going to say to people? Comment down below if you wanted a pair of Jurassic Park night vision goggles when you were a kid.
I see.
You see?
Ooh,
Let's
look.
get a close look up. Oh yeah, they are cool.
Look, and again, what?
They
I
are
take
cool.
that off and I have a game right.
They are Jurassic Park all over. Now that's cool. I love that. What happens if I showed you a card?
Okay.
Put the glasses on and I'll show you this. Can you and see through it? What do you think will happen? Can you see it? Does it look cool? Does it look different? With the glasses on? Yeah?
I see stuff. I see second piece there.
Do you?
Yeah.
My goodness.
And a moon.
And the moon one? Okay, and we've got the moon one now.
Wow.
Looks cool. So out of 10, what do you give those glasses?
Like you are going to move, you are going to get yoga. It kind of a tuck here.
Check there. And do we give them a 10 out of 10? Are they that cool?
Yeah.
Oh, they're that cool.
Peace.
Peace, guys. Bye.
Bye.